The INFINITI QX60 key fob uses a CR2032 coin cell battery to remotely lock/unlock doors, open the liftgate, and start the vehicle. First, gently pry open the fob case using a small flat tool along the seam. Be careful not to scratch the plastic. The CR2032 battery will be visible. Remove the old battery, noting the positive plus side orientation. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side up. Firmly snap the case back together. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to ensure it's working. If needed, reprogram the fob by holding the unlock/lock buttons for 5 to 10 seconds. To avoid issues, work on a soft surface and ground yourself to prevent static damage. Use reputable batteries like Duracell or Energizer. If the fob doesn't work after replacement, double-check the battery orientation and try reprogramming. Be aware that 2021 Plus QX60 models may experience faster battery drain, 1 to 2 years, due to increased smart features. If problems persist, consult your INFINITI dealer. Looking ahead, INFINITI is integrating digital keys via smartphone apps like INFINITI InTouch, reducing reliance on physical fobs. Future QX60 models may use rechargeable or kinetic-powered keys, potentially making coin cell batteries obsolete.